Let's try to eat this kind of cake, guys. Meron siyang strawberry at saka sago. Wow, sago. Yan guys, oh, sago. Strawberry and sago. Pero hindi siya maasim kasi meron siyang cream. Masarap, tama lang ang tamis. Sarap guys. Thanks for watching guys. God bless. Bye.